Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Muhammad. In this occasion, we gonna hear the contestant about the mini contest. They will promote their content. Okay, without make any ado, let's first contestant Afra, Mr. Afra, and for the Haikal, get prepared. The stage is your, Afra.
Tata. Dis. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. All praise be to Allah Subhanahu wa taala, who has given us mercies and blessings, so we can be in good condition, in happy situation. And let me introduce to myself. My name is Afra Dwi Atala, and now I wanna tell you about what the technology MikroTik. This first, MikroTik since. MikroTik was first conceived in 1996 by two great people named John and Ernest. These two people come from the country of Moldova, specifically the city of Riga, a country breakup of the Soviet Union. These two people start history MikroTik by building a device as a result of a combination of two operating systems, this Linux and MS-DOS, and wireless technology LAN or WLAN Aeronet, which has 2 Mbps speed. And this MikroTik is an operating system used to turn a computer into a network router. With this software, you can manage your network without special equipment. And MikroTik can be used to block certain websites so that they cannot be accessed when the user is connected to the proxy network created. Can function to configure and manage LAN networks via the MikroTik router board, and for the purpose of the computer network administration with good design and easy use, such as in the development and design of a computer network system. And then this MikroTik, and then this sample 2. This sample 2. Okay. This advantage of MikroTik. It has an operating system called MikroTik Router OS, which is made using an open source Linux core. Therefore, the price of this type of router is cheaper than other types of router. MikroTik can be operated easily because it has Winbox software, can detect various types of Ethernet cards available from several available vendors. Routing. The next benefit of MikroTik can be used as routing. Understanding routing is the main feature found in the MikroTik router. Therefore, the best path can be determined according to the destination address or computer, and several networks can be connected using this routing system and become an access point. The next benefit of MikroTik is that it can be used as an access point. because it contains a wireless interface in the Wi-Fi network. Therefore, MikroTik routers are widely used as Wi-Fi access point in public networks, school, and campus and cafes, and offers a wide range of security protocols. MikroTik's advantage is the many security protocols it offers. Among them, NTP, SNMP, PPTP, and PPOA. That's why you can use MikroTik to create the level of security you need. And then this advantage of MikroTik. This number one, lack of scalability, and two, or customer support help. And then maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for your attention. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thanks Brother Afra for great performance. And the next participant is Mr. Haikal Firdaus. And for the Farhan, please be prepared. Mr. Haikal, the stage is yours. Yes, okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa binasta'in umuri dunya wa din wa salatu wassalamu ala wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'd. In this occasion I want to show you about WhatsApp. Do you know WhatsApp? What is WhatsApp?
Communication with
Yes,
people.
WhatsApp is a communication application that is used in mobile phone or in laptop for another country. And yeah, next. So WhatsApp Manager is a free cross-platform instant messaging application designed for smartphones. This application allows the user to exchange news or exchange information without credit or messaging with letter to post. This application use internet for doing communicate each other. The WhatsApp application is used to chat online, share files, exchange photo, or something else, or like calling, something like that. Next, then with this application you can easily communicate remotely via chat, voice note, and also telephone. And also you can post and share your experience to your friend or your family and your activities with other people out there. So you don't go to the place you telling you discuss. You can discuss on your smartphone every time, anytime. Flexibility. Therefore, let's use this WhatsApp application together to make our tasks easier in exchanging information, and which make us flexible in our work, because this application is used
on your mobile phone. Let's use WhatsApp for easy to communicate. Yeah, download now. You can download in this web. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good performance by Haikal Firdaus. Okay, next, brother Farhan and Fajru, please be prepared. Mr. Farhan, the stage is yours.
Betul. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Farhan. You can call me Farhan. Already? Okay. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Farhan. You can call me Farhan. I'm from 10TKG. Today I will advertise about MTCNA course. What is MTCNA course? Today we're talking 3 points: understanding about MTCNA course, what we do in MTCNA course, benefits we get if we join MTCNA course. MTCNA course is MikroTik Certificate Network Associate. It's MTCNA course is very basic of MikroTik course. It's like fundamental of network engineers. The certificate help network engineers to understand the basic of network and improve or add value to the network engineer. This training is intended for those who want to learn the basic and function of the MikroTik router board, as well as future implementation and general problem solving. What we do in MTCNA course. MTCNA is basic level certificate at MikroTik. Yes. In this track, participant will learn to configure MikroTik router OS to deliver internet to clients, and also learn to manage and basic troubleshooting. Benefits we get if we join the MTCNA course. Participant receive an MTCNA international certificate to support their work. Participate gain skills that can be used to build networks, especially MikroTik. Participant gain skill for monitoring and solving network problems. Participant get the skill to solve their own problems, meaning that participant will get the ability to solve problems independently. Now guys, if you join the MTCNA course, you can you can go to ID networkers or yes, ID networkers. In there, you can take other certificates like MTCNA, MTCRE, MTCC, MTCine, MTCume, like that, and other platform like Fortinet, AWS, Cisco, like a CCNA, CCNP, and like this, the certificate of Mikrotik, Ustadz Willy Wijayanto, and yes, or you can join to IDN boarding school. IDN boarding school have many places in Solo, Pamijahan, Jonggol, and if you akhwat, you can join IDN Jonggol akhwat. Okay, maybe that's all of me, guys. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, great and good performance by Muhammad Farhan and Fajru. Mr. Fajru, please come forward. And for the Yusuf Ghazi, please be prepared.
Terus sinyal bro. Nah, oke. What's wrong with this? Here. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up, guys? How are you today? Please, one more with more louder, please. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah. I hope we always be in good condition and station. So, first, thank you for the MC for inviting me to this agenda. In this agenda, I want to introduce you to an application. But before we start to the main topic, I want to introduce myself. So, my name is Fajr Ramadan Mandias. I'm from 10 TKJ, 10th grade TKJ or Network Engineering. And here, I want to introduce you to an application. So next, wait, wait. Okay. So Winbox. Did you know what is Winbox in here?
Yes.
Yes, of course you know. Next. So, what is the Winbox? Winbox is a network management application developed by Mikrotik. It allows administration to configure and monitor network devices such as routers, switch, and wireless access points. Winbox provides a graphical user interface that allows us to configure network settings, view status information, and monitor network traffic in real time. So you guys must be asking, what is the functional of Winbox? So here I will tell you what is the functional of Winbox. Winbox is a network management software developed by Mikrotik that allows administration to remotely configure and monitor the network device, include router, switch, and wireless access point. Here are some of the primary functions of Winbox. So the first one, configuration. Users can use Winbox to configure a network device, including setting up IP address, creating LAN, and configuring. And the second, monitoring. Winbox allows administration to monitor network traffic via real-time performance metrics and identify and resolve network issues. The third is maintenance. Winbox can be used to perform routine maintenance tasks such as firmware updates, backup, and maintenance schedule checks. And the fourth one is troubleshooting. Winbox provides a range of troubleshooting tools include ping, traceroute, and packet capture, which can be used to diagnose and resolve network issues. So the next, Winbox has so many advantages, and there are the primary advantage. The first one is Winbox is easy to use. As you know, Winbox offers a user-friendly graphical interface that make it easy for administrators to configure and monitor network device, even for those with minimal network experience. Two is Winbox is efficient, time-saving. Winbox allows administration to remotely configure and monitor multiple network devices at once, saving time and reducing the need for physical address device. The third one is advanced functionally. Winbox provides advanced functionality, including support for advanced routing protocols, multi-protocol table switching, virtual private networks, and more, making it suitable for complex network configuration. The fourth one is capability. A Winbox can be used to configure and monitor large-scale network environment, making it scalable for use a wide range of network scenarios, from small business networks to large enterprise networks, and many more than that. And don't forget to contact us. This is for more information, you can contact us. This is our WhatsApp, and this is our social media for more details. Don't forget to follow. So what are you waiting for? Let's go join network engineering majority, and let's download Mikrotik. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This
Your laptop. Okay, good performance by Fajru, Mr. Fajru, and Mr. Yusuf Ghazi. Please come forward. And for Mr. Amar, be prepared. Where's the remote, bro? The remote. The remote. Oh wait. Okay, so let me start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys today? Okay. I hope you all in good condition and happy situation, because in this special occasion, I would like to promote my English course. Or maybe before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Yusuf Ghazi Wahyudi, and I'll promote this, my English course. And the name is the Exciting, Fantastic, Amazing, Fantabulous, Awesome, and Thrilling English Program. Yeah.
Okay, so before we start the main topic, I would like to tell you something. Did you know English, the world's most widely spoken language, with some 1.5 billion speakers, even though it's native for fewer than 400 millions? English accounts for 60% of world internet content and is lingua franca of pop culture and the global economy. All 100 of the world's most influential science journals published in English. Across Europe, close to 100% of students study English at some point in their education. So, of course, I have the vision and mission of why I made this English program. So my vision is to participating for preparing professional educators in English language teaching. And then my mission first is to help people who cannot or still don't dare to speak English. Second, making the nation people have the ability to speak English fluently and perfectly. And maybe one of you wondering what we will do in this course. We will learn, of course, and we will learn about vocabulary, grammar, how to do a proper speech, storytelling, English debate, and vlogging in one package. And of course, we have games too, so you don't get stressed or maybe get bored. And it's educational game, of course. It's narrated drama, Super Spice, the cooperation game, Border Dash, Tongue Twister, you know Tongue Twister, commercial act, pop quiz with prizes. So this is the cost where if you want to join. So for one day it's 2 billion. For 1 week it's 14 billion rupiah. Rupiah, guys. Calm down. 1 month is 56 billion rupiah. So cheap. Cheap. For you IDN student. And for 1 year only 500 rupiah. The silver coin. And so what are you waiting for? So if you want to more information about us, please www.pleasedon'tregister.com and our IG fake course, or maybe our phone number 000064543536464743. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will join. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh yes, I see.
Okay, great product by Mr. Yusuf Ghazi, and for Brother Amar, let's come forward. And for the Fahri Zain Harahap, be prepared.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this healthy afternoon, let I start this agenda. As you know, this agenda is advertisement. Okay, let me start. A microtic course by myself. Okay. You know guys what is the microtik? No. Okay, microtik like a platform of network engineer for you guys to routing and configure a network. Okay, on this time I will explain to you guys what is beneficial of my course. Okay, there are 4 beneficials, like get certification quickly, understand all about microtik, fast time, and get some items from microtik. Okay, and this I will explain one by one. Okay, quick to get the certifications.
Okay, what are the certification? There are MTCNA, MTCRI, MTCNA, MTCSA. Okay, for this MTCNA, like network assessment, routing engineer, internet working engineer, and security engineer. Okay, understand all about MikroTik. If you want to understand all about MikroTik, just visit my course and join it right now. Okay, first time normally if you want to get a certification, it has a long time, but it's different on my course. If you learn with me, it will finish the fastest is 3 days and the longest time for a week. Okay, for the last beneficial merchandises. Here's the example like MikroTik slave, MikroTik backpack, MikroTik cap, and MikroTik shirt. Okay, here's the price list for the certification. 2.4 million and MTCNA plus merchandise 2.8. Okay, you can read by yourself. And this has a note that includes shipping costs and tax, so that this so expensive. Okay, what are you waiting for? Just join right now. If you want to join, just contact us on my WhatsApp or my Insta. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, great performance by Mr. Amar. And for the Mr. Fahri Zain Harahap, please come forward. And for Allen, Mr. Allen, be prepared.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I will you promote about Winbox. Okay. Advantage of Winbox has many features for configuring the proxy. Maintenance of the proxy will be easier by using this software. What we learn about MikroTik? We will learn in MikroTik about Winbox definition, Winbox function, Winbox feature, and how to use Winbox. What definition Winbox? One of the applications for configuring MikroTik Router OS using GUI. The Winbox application can run on Windows in portable binary form, but can also run on Linux and Message or UXC using Wine. All functions in the Winbox application are almost exactly the same as console function command line. What function Winbox? Its function is for connectivity and MikroTik configuration using MAC address or IP protocol. What feature Winbox? Like more used to discover and show MNDP MikroTik Snackboard Discovery Protocol or KDP Cisco Discovery Protocol. Device it's simply to find MikroTik Router OS device connected to your network. Manage used to show entries that have been saved. And save master password, set a password to display entries in the manage window. And connect used to connect to router OS. At set used to save or change address, login password, nodes, session, and groups. The saved entries will be displayed in the manage window. Tools used to perform various functions such as importing address from WebEx, WebEx file or exporting to a WebEx file, moving session folders and checking for updates. And connect to destination IP or MAC address of the router. Login, username used for authentication. Password, the password used for authentication. And session used to change the session name and display save session. Browse used to search for an open session that have been saved in view format and not description of the router to be saved to the list. Group used to create group and organize entries in specific groups. Keep password if checked, the password will remain safe. And secure mode, if checked, Winbox will use the encryption to secure the session. And auto save session, if checked, Winbox will automatically save the session. Open in new window, if checked, Winbox will open the session in a new window after pressing connect. How to use Winbox? 1. Connect to. Enter the router IP or MAC address of the router we want. Login. Enter your login username and password to your router default admin. Password. Enter the password for the router you want to connect to default no violate in. Add set to save information changing router IP or MAC login password to the manage menu so that when you connect to the router in the future, you don't need to type it again. Connect to our router. Manage result of the saved router IP or MAC list login password and neckboard a list of routers that are directly connected to our router will appear. Okay, what do you think about MikroTik? It is fun? Okay, what are you waiting for? Let's learn together about MikroTik. Download now, okay? Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, nice performance by Fahri, Mr. Fahri Zain Harahap. And for the next, Mr. Allen, please come forward. And for Mr. King Hakim, please be prepared.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us mercies and blessings so we can be in good condition and happy situation. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Alen Agifari Ahmad Dinejat. You can call me Alen. I'm from 10 TKG. Today, I will advertisement about MikroTik course. Yeah. Founder of MikroTik. MikroTik was first created in 1996 by two great people named John and Ernest. These two people come from the country of Moldova, specifically the city of Riga, a country break of the Soviet Union. And what is MikroTik? MikroTik is an operating system used to turn a computer into a network router. With the software, you can manage your network without special equipment. And even so, the MikroTik company then itself made a device called the MikroTik router board. This router board device has MikroTik OS in is able to work to manage the network better. And web mikrotik. If you can see or buy tool TKG like this. Mikrotik router board and access point and switch. Now, you can visit in web mikrotik, and there are lots of IT smart people there. And maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, nice performance by Mr. Allen, and for Mr. Mr. King Hakim, please come forward. And for Mr. Kamal, be prepared. Mr. King, let's go.
Reflex, bro. I don't like the
Nah, done. Okay. Put out. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is King Hakim. Today I'm gonna show you about my course. It's about MTCNA. Okay. Before, MTCNA is a very basic certification from Microtik. Microtik have 10 certification. I will show you the certification. You can see over there. There is MTCNA, MTCRA, MTCW, MTC, MTSUME, MTCINE, MTC, Chip V6E, MTCSA, MTCSWE, MTCCUWE. Okay, after MTCINE. In my course, there is why should you have MTCNA training at Master IT System, and then what is MTCNA? Purpose of studying MTCNA.
Why should you have MTCNA training at Master IT System? First, the trainer experience is expert class with extensive experience in various projects. Second, cheapest cost include MTCNA exam expert level trainer. Third, if the trainer fails the first exam, they will get another free exam opportunity one time for a period of 1 month from the time that exam is carried out. Four, we eliminate the cost of purchasing rudder boats. Also, the training cost can be further reduced. Rudder boats are provided by us during the class. What is MTCNA? MikroTik Certificate Network Associate, or MTCNA for short. It is one of the MikroTik certification program for technicians to understand the basic of networking or networking. This is the example of MTCNA certificate. This is from my teacher, Willy Bejen. Okay. Next, purpose of studying MTCNA. Study the characteristics, features, and capabilities of MikroTik Router OS. Learn installation, configuration, function, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Obtain qualification as a MikroTik Certificate Network Associate. Okay, this is the testimony. You can look. And then the training duration is 3 days, and the cost you can see. Thank you. These are from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good performance by Mr. King Hakim, and is give the example. And Mr. Kamal, Mr. Fahri Kamal, let's come forward. And for the next speaker, be prepared. The Fadlan, Mr. Fadlan.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, first I want to introduce myself. My name is Fahri Kamal Ibrahim. I'm from Tenggat 3 KJ, and now I want to education about the presentation about this Gojek. Okay. Okay, before we start the service the Gojek, we have now who make this. Okay, this is Nadim Makarin. This is Budet, and he from Indonesia. Okay. Okay. The aim for the Gojek is make easier for motorbike taxis and us to get service and make many people get jobs. Okay, in Gojek is very famous, and this in Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and Philippines there is. Okay, this is static Gojek. Is GoFood 19% and GoCar is 9% and GoRide is 81% and GoSend is 7% and GoMart is 60%. and this is user Gojek is 16%. Okay, this is 5 service Gojek. There is GoFood, GoMart, GoPay, GoTik, GoPlay, GoGames, and GoSend. Okay, this is GoSend. This GoSend service make easy. It's easy for use to send package from city to city. Okay, and this is example. This is the one, and this is a driver, and yes, your package is done. And this is GoFood and GoMart. GoFood GoMart is service make easy for user to get ingredients and or food without leaving to house. This is example to GoFood. You can get rice and or noodle is or duck and the other. Okay, this is example to for GoMart. Very the many ingredients. Okay, next. Okay, next is GoPay. GoPay service make transaction easier, and with this service Gojek has discount coupon that you can use. Okay, this is a tutorial for GoPay. The first like this for code QR. This. The next is GoGames. GoGames service to make it easier for use top up the game with you top up. Okay, this the application Mobile Legend, PUBG, you know. And GoGames to can there is the what is event. Yes, and okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good performance by Mr. Fahri Kamal, and for Mr. Fadlan, please come forward. The stage is yours. And for the next participants, the Zaki Farel Negarawan, please be prepared. Let's go, Mr. Fadlan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello. So I will presentation about Tesla. You know Tesla?
Yes, card.
Tesla INC started as Tesla Performance Tesla Motor is an American automotive and energy strong company founded by Martin Hart Company, GB Double, and IN Weir, and based in Port Arthur, Florida. This company is created in Ford car and company and also patents that is developed. reducing or manufacturing footprint. Number one, building more strategically. Firstly, from the ground up. Number two, covering roof space with solar panel. Number two, charging all to make or energy use more efficiently. Tesla, model Tesla number one. The Model Y is a company crossover car SUV classed by Tesla. The Model Y itself has many of the same company as the Model 2 future car company. In the future, Tesla motor plan to produce a trick model car, which perhaps is more probably a product of a new model with the proper name Blue Star. Yes, the Tesla Y. Setting a new standard for water use perfectly. Number one, water is the process of smelting. Number two, rainwater and constantly harvesting and rose, recycling and water. This product import. Power art. We design sustainably systems that are massively scalable, requiring in greatest environmental benefit possible, are energy generally, and strong product word of LC watt weightless to amplify their import. So, just all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good performance by Mr. Fadlan. And for Mr. Zaki, Brother Zaki, let's come forward. The stage is yours. And next participation is Brother Siroj. Let's Siroj be prepared.
Hey guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zaki Farhan Negarawan. Actually, my friend call me Zaki. In this evening, I will give you about Microtik. Do you know what's Microtik? If you don't know, Microtik is a platform for network engineer. If you wanna learning about network, you can use platform Microtik. And what is Microtik? Microtik is officially say IA. Microtik is a Latvian networks equipment manufacturing company. Microtik develop and sell wires and wireless networks, routers, network switches, access point, as well as operating system and auxiliary software. The company was founded in 1996 and as of 2022, it was reported that the company employed 51 employees. With its headquarters in Riga, Latvia, Microtik serves a diverse array of customers around the world. The company product and service are utilized in various sectors, such as telecommunication, government agency, and educational instruction and enterprise all of size. Next, history about Microtik. Microtik was established in 1996 by founders John Tully and Ernest Ragnes. There are pictures of founders Microtik in Riga, Latvia, developing and networking software for x86 PC hardware network development into a product called Router OS. The earliest version of Router OS were based on Linux 2.2, and in 2002, Microtik expanded its product line by producing their own networking focused low power single board computed SBC branded router board, and that's ran Router OS. These early CBCs could be expanded and or integrated as component of other system. But as the time passed, this router board or router called Router OS platform will develop into full line network equipment. And this is a timeline about Microtik. In 1997, release of software for x86 PC platform called simply Microtik router software that will eventually development into Router OS. And secondly, in 2002, release of router board series PCI add-in board to be used with Microtik x86 based PCs running Router OS. And the third release of Router Board 200, a single board router platform, and Router Board 2020 with the CBC integrated into an enclosure with 2.4 GHz wireless antenna powered by power over internet or called by PoE. Original router board was based on the GUID CPU but later used MIPS. And in 2012, release of Cloud Care Router or called by CCR 2000 series using Tilera style GX many core CPUs. Tier-based CCR will eventually be released with up to 72 cores at 1 GHz. And the last in 2022 release of CCR 2000 series network router using ARM64 architecture CPUs and featuring 100 GBE. Capability in the CCR 2216, also a return PC and in board with the CCR 2004 to CXX PCLE. The product have in Microtik have product Router OS, router board, wireless antenna, access point, Ethernet router, and network switch. This is about MTSNA, about MTSNA exam certification. First, MTSNA called Microtik Certified Network Associate is the basic certification networking for from Microtik. In Microtik, the online exam consists of 25 questions to be done in one time. O'clock, then the system answer multiple choice, single, multiply, true or false. Passing grade 16%. If you get a score 50 until 59, you can retest or second chance. Is it possible that some of the random test question will be the same as the question beforehand? That be careful when working on the question because they are in English. There are some that are not well understood and there are so many pitfalls. B. For the requirement for Microtik Academy microconsultant trainer, the score must be minimum 75% for associate level. Purpose of studying MTSNA, studying the characteristics, features, and capabilities of Microtik Router OS. Study installation, configuration, function, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Obtains qualification as a Microtik certified network associate. In Microtik level, Microtik is not free software if you use it fully. If you wanna Microtik is not free, you must have a licensing, which means it's paid. Microtik is now by the term level on the license available starting from the level 0, then 1, 3 to 6. For level 1 is the Microtik demo version, which one can be used for free with the following function. Very limited functionality, of course. Each level has its own abilities. varies according to price. Level 6 is the highest level with the function the most complete. The type of license in Microtik. The following are the types of licenses level in Microtik. Level 0, free, does not require a license to use it, and use a feature is in only limited for 24 hours after the installation. Level 1, demo. At the level you can use in a function, just started routing with the one setting as no limitation time to use it. And in level 3 includes level 1 plus the ability to management of all hardware based on network cards or Ethernet and station match client type wireless device management. In level 4 includes level 1 and 3 plus the ability to managing access point types wireless device. In level 5 includes level 1, 3 and 4 plus management skill, greater number of hotspot user, and the last level 6 cover all level and does not have any limitation. And I want to tell you about router boards. Microtik router boards is a router device product by the company Microtik from Latvia. This device has been designed as a way to be able to run a network router and is equipped with a special operating system called Router OS. Just for the component inside the Microtik router board is the same way as a PC, where the main board is equipped with processor, RAM, ROM, and flash memory. The only operating system that support is it Router OS, which was also developed by Microtik. Microtik router board are produced in several types and have different model, architecture, and interface, so you can choose according to your need and of course your budgets. From here, computer friends will definitely have an idea in the meaning of Microtik router board. And the review below is the same of the Microtik router board function that I have summarized. And the last function in Microtik router board. Microtik router board function in general. The function of the Microtik router board as a gateway server that can divide and the network provide security with the local network hardware. There are several router board functions as the many administration needs to manage the component network. And one as a root can function in Microtik as a router. Secondly, as a firewall. Thirdly, Wi-Fi device. 4 as bandwidth management, and 5 internet sharing. Maybe that's all for me. Last word I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good presentation by Brother Zaki. And for next participation, Brother Siros, come forward. The stage is yours. And for next participants, be prepared.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Siraj Mumtaz. You can call me Siraj or Ahmad. Okay, guys. In here, I want talk with you is Winbox. What is Winbox? Winbox is network management application used to configure Microtik network device. Microtik is a company that develops hardware and software for computer networking purpose, including router and switch Winbox, is specifically designed for use with MikroTik device and provides a graphical user interface that make it easy for use to manage MikroTik network device. Using Winbox, use can perform various network configurations, such as setting, router setting, managing firewall, configured network interface, and monitoring network performance. The application allows users to connect to MikroTik device through a secure protocol and enable network management in a more intuitive than using a command line interface. Okay. Thank you very much. Oh, I wanna give you is bonus, bro. This. Okay. Thank you very much. Syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good presentation by Brother Siraj. And for the next, Brother Boma, please come forward. Step this way.
Kok bisa sih? Gak bisa. Muter gitu. Nah, ini gak bisa. Nah, Citra TB. Lagging. Refresh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gerda Bangastaguna from 20 kg. First, I wanna explain about Instagram. Instagram is a photo and video sharing social networking service owned by American company Meta Platforms. The application allows users to upload media that can be edited with filters.
be organized by hashtag and be associated with a location via geographical tagging. Posts can be shared public or with private followers. Users can browse order users, content by content, and location, content by text and location. View trending content, like photos, and follow other users to add their content to a personal feed originally. Launched for iOS in 2010 by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, and the Android version was released in 2012. Okay, maybe that's for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, enough for today. Sorry if I have a mistake or our have a mistake. Okay, one more participant, the Mr. Musa, please come forward. Vice.
Yes, it's beer, bro. Where, coy? Ready. Tomorrow. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Tawagum Sudirmansyah. You can call me Musa. Okay, in this time, I want to explain my presentation about Shopee. What is Shopee? Shopee is an online shop or marketplace application, electronic trading platform. By using Shopee, we can more easily shop, export, and sell any product and service anywhere. This is the founder of Shopee. The name is Chris Zimin Feng. He was born in December 1982 in Singapore. He is the CEO of Shopee. The aim of creating the Shopee application is marketplace ways to make it easier for sellers and buyers to meet on one online shop platform. Not only that, this marketplace also has the aim of making it easier for buyers to fulfill their needs. And here, there are also selling applications besides Shopee. There is Tokopedia, Lazada, and Shopee. Shopee has a lot of competitors. The first is Tokopedia, Shopee, Bukalapak, Lazada, Blibi.com, Orami, Benika, JD.id, Belanja, and Zalora. Don't worry if you shop at Shopee, it's guaranteed to be safe. Okay. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good performance by Mr. Musa. And sorry, there's the misunderstanding. And for Mr. Faisal, Brother Faisal, please come forward. The stage is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So standing here, I would like to advertising one of the most famous e-commercial in Indonesia. It is Tokopedia, the trusted e-commerce on Indonesia, with the motto "always there and always available." Next, what is Tokopedia? Tokopedia is an Indonesian technology company with a mission to achieve digital economic equality. Why the vision is to achieve digital economic equality? Because Indonesia is because Indonesia has many islands, so none of them, not all of them, get a good digital economy. Next. The founder of Tokopedia is William Tanuwijaya and Leontinus Alva Edison, not Thomas Alva Edison. This is different. Tokopedia was launched at 17 of August 2009. Tokopedia has a feature as a flagship feature with the name is WIB, or we call it in Indonesia Waktu Indonesia Belanja. In Tokopedia WIB, users can enjoy various types of promos and offers, including flash sale, cashback promo, and free shipping. The program also includes live entertainment events such as the WIB TV show, which features performance by local and international artists. And the next, WIB features. In WIB features, we get free shopping, chase discounts, cashback voucher, WIB TV show, flash sale of all product categories. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Let's thanks for our participants. Sorry if we have a mistake. And close with doa kafaratul majlis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. And that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.